It's hot across the country, so let's cool down today a bit with some Christmas in July. So we all know about the zombie, right? We all know about Don Beach, the 2-drink limit, and most of you probably know about Trader Sam's. And every holiday season, Trader Sam's releases a limited edition menu. And last November, they put out this, the Winter Isle Zombie. And now Winter Isle is what Disneyland calls its Christmas overlay of Fantasyland. The castle goes white and there's snow and the whole area gets this frozen, wintry fairy tale treatment. So the concept here is this is a zombie dressed up for the Christmas season. And the bones of the original Trader Sam's zombie are still here. It's multiple rums and citrus, falernum, and cinnamon. But the Winter Isle Zombie makes a few moves that the standard doesn't. It adds Coco Real, Pernod, and some grapefruit juice alongside the pineapple. It is a zombie fitted for a Christmas party at the Haunted Mansion in Anaheim. So, in the spirit of the holiday season, when most of the country is around 100 degrees, let's make the Winter Isle Zombie. So as always, we start with 3/4 of an ounce of fresh lime juice and 1/2 ounce of grapefruit juice, 1 ounce of pineapple juice, and 1 ounce of Coco Real coconut cream. And this is really what separates the Winter Isle Zombie from a standard zombie. Coco Real is really the most convenient option since it comes in a squeeze bottle and doesn't really separate. Now, Coco Lopez is the classic industry standard, and if that's what you have, just blend or stir the can before using it, but that would work here as well. So next on the list is falernum, and we've talked a lot about falernum on this show. So JDT, BG Reynolds, Liquid Alchemist, use whatever you have on hand. Typically when a drink calls for falernum, I am reaching for my golden falernum, but today I'm using John D. Taylor Velvet Falernum, of which you need 1/2 ounce. And next on the list is cinnamon syrup. So Library Company, Monin, BG Reynolds, use again whatever you have on hand. If you can make it at home, do that. Just simmer some cinnamon sticks in simple syrup for 15 or 20 minutes and you're gonna get a really good version. But today I'm using Library Company's version because it is freaking delicious. So you need 1/2 ounce of cinnamon syrup. Next is Pernod. You can also use absinthe or herb saint if you have it, but you need 1 dropper of Pernod. And then we need 2 dashes of Angostura bitters. And now the stars of the show, the rums themselves. So starting off, we have Mount Gay Eclipse. This is a Barbados rum, and if you can't find it or don't have it, Plantation 3 stars is a good substitute at the same level. Pretty much any clean, slightly fruity Caribbean rum will really get you there. So you need 1.5 ounces of Mount Gay Eclipse. And next is what makes this a zombie, the 151. So Hamilton is really my go-to overproof Demerara rum for all of my cocktail builds. And if you absolutely cannot find it, you can use any overproof rum, a Lemon Heart or an OFTD. Those have really been the alternatives in the builds. And so OFTD does run at a lower proof, but it works as well. So you need 1.5 ounces of 151. We'll then fill the tin with ice and give it a nice shake. And we'll roll this into a glass of your choice. And garnish how you like. I am using a burnt cinnamon stick. And there she is, the Winter Isle Zombie. That's a good fucking cocktail. I'm not gonna lie to you guys, it's a really good cocktail. It doesn't taste like a zombie. Outside of being cinnamon forward, does not taste like a zombie, but 3 ounces of rum, including 1.5 ounces of 151. By the time you're done drinking it, it's gonna feel like you've had a zombie. So it's a Disney drink, it's a Trader Sam cocktail. If you've had a Disney drink in the past, a Trader Sam cocktail in the past, you're gonna know what I mean. It's heavy, it's sugar forward, but at the end of the day, it's just freaking delicious. It is a very good cocktail. Again, it's hot here. It's 110 degrees today. It's like hot everywhere in the country, humid in a lot of places. Even my old stomping grounds in the upper Midwest, it was like almost as hot there as it was here for a lot of July, which is crazy to think about, but it's a zombie colada. So if you think coladas are a pool drink or a beach drink, great, but this is a heavy one. And in my opinion, it's the right cocktail for the wrong time of year. So it's Christmas in July. It's a stupid thing. Every place does Christmas in July. My wife loves Hallmark. She's a teacher, so she has summers off and she watches Hallmark on repeat. And they're doing Christmas in July. They're releasing a bunch of Christmas movies right now, which is weird because it's 100+ degrees outside, but it is what it is. I'm glad I did this because it's a really good cocktail and it's something that I could revisit during the holiday season. I could see myself having an all-American Thanksgiving, eating way too many calories, which is the American way, watching football, which is the American way, and sitting down and having way too many these winter Isle zombies, which is also the American way. It's a good drink. If I had to rate it, like I said, right drink, wrong time of year, I'm gonna give it a solid 9.5 out of 10. It's a really good cocktail. If you guys try this, I think you're probably gonna feel the same way. If you do like sugary drinks, if you hate sugary drinks, you're just gonna hate this drink, but it's a good drink. Let me know in the comments if you tried this, what you thought of it. Those of you that comment, those of you who comment regularly, I have a feeling I know what you're gonna say. You're probably gonna think kind of along the same lines I am. It's just a really good cocktail, but maybe save it for 3 or 4 months from now. So that all being said, if you liked what you watched today and you want to celebrate the holiday season, keep watching because I do some pretty fun stuff for the holidays. But yeah, please like, share, and subscribe. It really helps the channel out. So thank you so much for watching, everybody. Akole Maluna. It's a jingle jangle zombie. And enjoy. Man, that's a good fucking cocktail. It's so good. Zombie baby, I'm gonna drink you all night long, zombie. That's what I do. Drink zombies, and I sing horribly, but zombie's good. All right, I'm out of here.